Welcome to our in-depth comparison of two high-performance DDR5 RAM kits from Crucial's Pro series. Today, we will be looking at the Crucial Pro 32GB DDR5 RAM kit with a frequency of 6,000 MHz and a CAS latency of 36, and contrasting it with the Elite 6,400 MHz CL32 version. Both kits are designed for overclocking and gaming, offering dual compatibility with Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo profiles. Let's dive into the specifications and see how they stack up against each other. The first area we will compare is speed and latency. The Crucial Pro 6,000 MHz CL36 kit offers a solid performance for most gaming setups, providing a good balance between speed and stability. On the other hand, the 6,400 MHz CL32 kit pushes the limits of DDR5 technology, offering higher bandwidth and lower latency, which can translate to better performance in memory-intensive applications and gaming scenarios. The choice between these two kits largely depends on your specific needs and the capabilities of your motherboard. Next, let's discuss price and value. The Crucial Pro 6,000 MHz kit is priced at $325, making it a more affordable option for those looking to upgrade their RAM without breaking the bank. In contrast, the 6,400 MHz kit comes in at $348, which reflects its higher performance capabilities. While the price difference is relatively small, it may be a deciding factor for budget-conscious gamers. It's essential to weigh the performance benefits against the cost when making your decision. Finally, we will look at compatibility and stability. Both RAM kits are compatible with Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, ensuring they can be easily integrated into a variety of systems. However, the 6,400 MHz kit is specifically optimized for next-gen CPUs, which may provide additional performance benefits for users with the latest hardware. It's crucial to ensure your motherboard can handle the higher speeds of the 6,400 MHz kit to avoid stability issues. In conclusion, both the Crucial Pro 6,000 MHz CL36 and the 6,400 MHz CL32 RAM kits offer excellent performance for gamers and PC enthusiasts. The 6,000 MHz kit provides a great balance of speed and value, while the 6,400 MHz kit is designed for those seeking the highest performance possible. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your specific needs, budget, and the capabilities of your system. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.